Well, folks, Clementine now has a snowblower attachment, and she's going to do some great work here in the driveway. And just like that, folks, it's Friday again. These weeks, they most certainly come up on us. Mr. Garry here, welcome to another TGIF here at GBL, the old church, 5-acre homestead. It's garbage day here in Gander, Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada, and that's what Garry is about to do. You see my garbage there over my shoulder. Also next to my shoulder are several boxes, 3 to be exact, and a couple of pieces of mail as well. We're going to be talking about that very soon in this video. You also see my Kubota hat here. We're going to be talking about Clementine very soon. And Mr. Garry is currently donning a brand new hat. Outdoors 1983 Limited is a store, a business, a shop here in Gander that sells a lot of outdoor products, including steel chainsaws and other steel products. They sell Yamaha products as well. A great store if you're an outdoor enthusiast. But here's a piece of advice from Mr. Garry. If you can, wherever you are, whether you are in the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere, get outdoors. Get outdoors and do something. Go for a walk. Take your pets for a walk. Get out and clear away your driveways. There's lots of snow. Go for a walk down on the beach. Just get out and do something outdoors. That's my advice for you today. Now, we're going to get at our garbage. That's the purpose for this TGIF Friday video, folks. And we're going to do that right now. There's the garbage, and there's those packages that I told you about, folks. I just want to take a couple of minutes before we talk about the garbage that I want to talk a little bit about these packages. All right, so this tall one here, this white one, that is an hydroponic countertop garden that I'm going to unbox very soon, and that's going on our countertop in our kitchen. So look forward to an unboxing of that package very soon. Now, the one down on the bottom, that is a heated vest from Venustas, the heated apparel clothing line, the company who reached out to Mr. Garry and Miss Betty actually a couple of years ago, and we did a video showing off a Venustas heated jacket that I'm wearing right now actually, and I'll show that to you very soon. The top package is a package from a friend of mine in the United States, and it is Miss Cynthia from Cynthia's Crafts and More. She sent along a package, so we're going to be unboxing that one also very soon. We have a piece of letter mail here from a good friend of mine, okay, Gold Wing Moments, a YouTube friend. We're going to be opening that letter very soon, and the one on the top is a Christmas card from a good friend of mine, Carol, from Plain Vanilla Grandma, also from the US. So those packages all have to be opened in the next couple of weeks, so look forward to some unboxing and some product reviews on our channel very soon. Now, it's time though to get at that garbage. Now let's move that Kubota hat, because we're going to need that one very soon. We'll just put that one over to the side. Let's look in the garbage to the far right, I suppose. Okay, it's empty except for a windshield wash container. Actually, no, it's not. It's a large vinegar bottle. So I got to fish that out of there and get that out for the garbage. This one, I do believe is full. Well, it's almost full. I got a bag of recyclables there. So I could probably squeeze that in on the top. And there's also a small cardboard box. So that's our garbage this week. We're going to take that out to the curb now very soon. And we're going to talk about today's temps. Now, let's see if I can get that out of there. Shouldn't be too difficult. All right, Mr. Garry. Now, let's wheel that out to its usual spot by the curb. Got to pass along by freebie as we do so. Okay, today's temps. It's actually quite warm, and it has been quite warm the last few days here in Gander. It's currently only 2 degrees Celsius, and that's the same as 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So not too bad today. A lot of the snow is melted. My driveway isn't too bad. A little bit of snow there, but otherwise it's a pretty good day, a pretty nice day. Now, I'm going to finish the garbage, and then I've got something else to talk to you about. There's the Venustas heated jacket that I'm wearing, folks. I've received this jacket in the mail a couple of years ago, and I did a couple of YouTube videos on this jacket. It is quite warm. All you got to do is press on that button and it warms up and it keeps you nice and warm while you're outside in the winter time doing various things. So a nice heated jacket by the Venusta's heated apparel company. Yeah, and as I said, inside that box is a heated vest. So we'll talk about that later on. Now, why do I have my Kubota hat here ready to don? I had to switch hats for this, folks, and I'm going to explain to you why. I got to put on my Kubota hat. I got to put on my Kubota hat because a gentleman is going to be here shortly, a mechanic, and this mechanic is going to help Mr. Garry change the backhoe that's currently on Clementine, and we're going to be putting on the snowblower attachment that you see above my shoulder. And as you can see, Clementine currently has a bucket on the front and she has the backhoe attachment on the back. We are going to be removing the backhoe today, and over here next to the corner of the garage is the snowblower attachment. I'm going to spend the next few minutes shoveling out and clearing away some of the snow around the snowblower attachment because I want to get this all ready for the mechanic who's going to show up here very soon from Kubota, and he's going to help Mr. Garry attach that snowblower attachment, and as I said, remove the backhoe. We'll figure all that out very soon, and hopefully I'll have some video for you. You know you're a valued Kubota customer, folks, when the store manager here in Gander shows up with a mechanic to clear your driveway. Too funny. So that's Danny Parsons, store manager at the Kubota store here in Gander, on Clementine at the moment, clearing a bit of snow because we are going to be attaching the snowblower attachment very soon. And the person who's going to be doing most of that work is Justin Russell. And that's Justin you see right there. And I'm going to stay quiet for the next little while and let the work that the gentlemen are doing speak for itself. Enjoy the rest of this video, folks, and I'll come back toward the end. bucket is okay now? Yep.
An excellent service call, folks, from Kubota here in Gander, from Danny Parsons, store manager, and Justin Russell, mechanic. Clementine thanks you, and Mr. Garry thanks you. Have an awesome day, gentlemen.
Over the next few days now, Mr. Garry will get out here with Clementine with the snowblower attachment, and we'll clean up some of this snow. The bank right here is getting a little high, so I'll lower that using the snowblower attachment and using the bucket, of course. And Clementine will be worth her weight in gold, and she'll do a great job here for sure here at GBL, the old church, 5 Acre Homestead. Now, I gotta go, because I got some work to do. See you later, folks. Mr. Garry signing out. Okay, we'll leave the backhoe there for now, and that backhoe will be reattached come the spring for sure, because we got a lot of work to do at the homestead. Clementine, in all her glory, folks.